The big billion sale is live, and these are the worst and the best gaming laptop deals that are available under 1 lakh rupees. So you can get the best ones and avoid the worst ones. This Katana 17 at 92,000 is one such deal that you need to avoid, because at 92,000 it gets you a basic 1080p screen with just 45% of NTSC and a weaker 75W RTX 3050. Instead of this, get a laptop with a better QHD display and a freaking 150W RTX 3070 Ti. The Nitro 5 at 94,000 will get you one of the best deals in this sale. It's a premium tier gaming laptop with a 12th Gen Core i7, a 1440p color accurate screen, and the most powerful GPU in this entire price segment, the 3070 Ti, which performs better than an RTX 4060 found in other more expensive laptops. Although the RAM is DDR4 in this laptop, it's still an extreme value deal. The MSI GF63 Thin at 94,000 is another hot garbage that you need to avoid in this sale, and don't be tempted by this RTX 4060 because it's just 45 watts. Also, you get a basic 1080p screen which is again just 45% NTSC. It's also DDR4 and has just one M.2 slot and one SATA 3 slot for storage upgrade. Instead of this, you can get the Predator Helios Neo 16 with a much more powerful 140W RTX 3050, a 13th Gen Core i5 13500HX, a much better, brighter and color accurate 165Hz WUXGA screen with overall better storage and memory options. And when it comes to the best overall value, this Neo 16 is the best deal in this segment right now. You get most of the premium gaming laptop features in this that even the expensive options in this list don't offer. The Predator Helios 300 at 95,000 is the next one you should absolutely avoid, mainly because it's got a 2-year-old 11th Gen Core i7 CPU and a very weak 85W RTX 3050 Ti. Instead of this, the Legion 5 at 96,000 is a better alternative with Ryzen 7 5800H and a 130W RTX 3060. But this laptop, even at 96,000, doesn't offer as great a value as the Neo 16 and Nitro 5 offer, that too at lower prices. Therefore, I don't want to recommend this Legion 5 over these two. Laptops including the IdeaPad Gaming 3 and the Lakh 15 at 97,000 and these two Dell G15s at 99,000 are some of the worst value and overpriced laptops that you should absolutely avoid as well. Instead of all these, this Neo 16 with the 13th Gen Core i7 and RTX 4050 is the ultimate value gaming laptop in terms of performance and features, especially in the CPU department. And for the best GPU performance, you already have the Nitro 5 with the RTX 3070 Ti. I have prepared a detailed comparison chart for these laptops which is linked in the description. I will cover more details in the upcoming videos, so stay tuned and keep an eye on the community tab because I'll be posting a lot of stuff there too. Your questions and feedback are welcomed in the comment section. Now check out these other videos.